How to fix incorrect permissions on Windows search directories in Windows 11. 1. Google how to take ownership of the data folder, fast. 2. Run SFC and DISM scans as admin. 3. Disable and re-enable the Windows search feature via the command prompt. Run these commands as admin: dism/online/disable feature name search engine client package dism/online/enable feature name search engine client package 4. Create a new user profile.